Hello everyone! To begin with, I created several layers with shades of blue. Then I used a washing eraser to cut some shapes. The trick is that each layer has its own drawing, and crossing the lines will create also an interesting effect. When I draw these things, I imagine that it is wallpaper. I really love looking at familiar shapes in vintage wallpaper. As you can see, I switched to the bottom layer and continued painting with the same eraser. Then I experimented with color and settled on light green. Next I decided to add my favorite spray. By the way, here is a brush for these purposes. I have already used it many times. Next I just add white patterns. The shapes take on the character of puzzle. Very interesting. In general, the process itself is akin to therapy, drawing and good at heart. Next, you can play around with the lower display mode. Choose any and see the result. I like the difference mode. I also wanted to include lower styles, but I couldn't find anything good. In the end, I decided to experiment with several options for overlaying layers, and these are the colored solutions. That's all, thanks for attention, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, goodbye.